Good morning and welcome to a new video. Welcome to the maintenance channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light on a 2022 Toyota Camry. First, let's start with a quick look at the display. It may look a little dusty, but no worries. I'll show you exactly how to clear that maintenance message. Now, to begin, press the back arrow button. This is the only button we'll need right now. Press it, and something will pop up on the screen. Next, use the right arrow until you find the menu labeled Settings. It should appear on your screen soon. Just keep an eye out for it. Once there, you'll see a gear icon. With the down arrow, scroll down until you reach Vehicle Settings. Once you've selected Vehicle Settings, press the OK button and hold it for a few seconds. Now, scroll down again and press OK once more to confirm. You should see a message asking if you'd like to reset the maintenance data. Press OK to confirm, and the reset will begin. The display will then confirm the reset is complete. Now press the back arrow a couple of times until you're back to the main screen. If you want to hide the mileage display, just press the down arrow to adjust what's shown on your screen. Here, you'll find all the information about your vehicle. After that, turn off the engine, step out for a moment, and then check the display again. You'll notice that the maintenance message is gone and your display is back to normal. Thank you for watching this video. If this was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it. Thanks for supporting the maintenance channel, and see you in the next one.